container full of water. In short, no water enters the body. Ask students to note the observation of whether the water enters into the body.
Good morning everyone, we are the students of class 6 Push. Today we are going to explain you about properties of air. First property, air has mass. Air has invisible. Because you can see this polybag is inflated because the air was present in this. There was also, this balloon was also inflated because air was also present in this balloon. That proves the air was invisible. We cannot see the air but we can feel the air. That proves the air was invisible.
I will explain the second property of the air. Air occupies space. Now I am having here an empty bottle and become filled with the water. Now I will dig the bottle vertically into this beaker filled with water. Now we can see the water is not going into the water. Now we will take out it again. Now we will turn it some slide. Now we can see the bubbles. Now we can see the bubbles are coming. These bubbles are of the air. This proves that water is going into this bottle. This proves that air occupies space. For example, this balloon is inflated because it occupies space. Explain the third property of air. Air has mass. I have one retort stand and the two balloons. This proves that the air has mass because